Hello everyone. For the Code with Kiro hackathon, my teammates and I have built Persona Prep, your AI powered conversation and personality coach. It leverages AI to help users practice conversations through scenario simulations. It aims to enhance users' communication skills and help them navigate through real life conversations. Many individuals face communication challenges, such as communicating in job interviews, feeling uncomfortable while initiating small talk, social anxiety, and lack of confidence when conversing in a group. And they also lack judgment free supportive spaces to practice their skills. Here, Persona Prep comes to play and acts as a helping hand for individuals who want to ace their conversation game. Users can practice conversing in various real life scenarios with AI and receive feedback on their tone and confidence. They can also proactively track their progress and set goals to succeed in gaining confidence for the real conversations. Our application is built using Spring Boot framework for a robust backend service. The frontend is developed using React and Tailwind to make it lightweight and user friendly. The AI coach is powered by Google Gemini 2.0 Flash LLM for conversation generation and real time user input feedback. Data is being stored in MongoDB Atlas. Kiro played a pivotal role in shipping Persona Prep. The spec driven development by Kiro is a game changer that helped us bootstrap and create a platform through clearly defined tasks. Kiro also acted as a product manager and created steering docs to keep the product scope in check during development. Hooks helped us save time by automating our repetitive tasks of staging our changes for commit and scanning files for accidental secret push. Through Persona Prep, we aim to transform the lives of individuals and help them gain confidence to lead engaging conversations and communicate with finesse. Now, let's see our platform in action. When you visit our application, you'll see a vibrant and informative landing page. Logging into the platform, we see the application dashboard. We can start by practicing conversations by creating new ones from the Conversations tab. Once we start a conversation, our AI coach sends us a prompt to start practicing our conversation skills and provides instant feedback. As you can see, our coach has provided us with a confidence score and clear feedback for improvement. We can practice conversing for many such scenarios. We can streamline our experience through goal setting for improvement. Users can visit their profile to update their confidence level as they improve through practicing. Over time, we can check our progress from the Progress tab. Through a platform, users can witness improvements in their skills and stay consistent by goal creation and progress tracking. Try Persona Prep today and be an ace at the art of conversation.